Okay, so now we're going to pull some things together, and the idea of isotopes, ions, and simple atomic structure that we've looked at so far. It's possible you guys have done something similar to this before. I know I do this with my physical science students. They end up being phenomenal at it, so I'm assuming you guys were also. Let's start off with an isotope that you're already familiar with because we've already worked with it a couple of times. Chlorine 35. Now, what is the nuclear symbol for chlorine 35? Well, if you recall, we put the symbol, the mass number, the atomic number. Remember I showed you this the other day?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I also said that I might be able to include the charge if it were an ion. Does anyone vaguely remember me saying that?
Yes.
Does anyone remember where the charge goes?
Right.
Yeah, in the upper right corner. So, just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and since it's new and I haven't done it yet, I'm just going to do this. Okay? Now, I'm going to ask you to provide this information based on what we're currently seeing. Does anyone remember doing something like this before?
Kind of.
A little bit. It's been a little while. I get it. Okay? So with that being said, what's the atomic number of chlorine 35? Shout it out, everyone.
17.
Very good. What's the mass number?
35.
One person shouted. How many protons?
17.
How many neutrons? I heard an 18.
16.
Anybody for 22? I know we did this. You already have the answer to this question. Or you can remember that the mass number is the number of protons and neutrons. This is the number of protons, so therefore you subtract. And lastly, how many electrons in this species? 18. Why are there 18? Well, they normally have 17, but it's a 1 minus ion, which means it has acquired an extra electron, therefore 18. Does this ring a bell at all?
Yes.
All right, let's throw another one at you. Good luck. I won't make it too hard on you yet. All right. Do you guys think you can handle this on your own, or do you want to walk through it?
We got it.
I mean,
We got it.
what happens if you get it wrong?
Nothing.
Right.
You fixed it. And you learned from it.
Whoa. About killed you. I got it. What's the rule of thumb if Mr. Lehman throws something on the floor? No, I pick it up. You don't touch it. Oh, okay. Fini? No? What flavor am I going with here? Okay. Oh, darn it. My bad. I'm sorry. That was so stupid. My fault. I'm sorry. Actually didn't want to do that element. That's right, I'll fix it on the next one. Oh yeah, I'll definitely fix it on the next one. Okay, here we go. What is the element? What's the mass number? 34. So I put A. What do I put 34. What goes here? What goes here? Here. And now up here. 'Tis 2 negative. Why is that? Well, because the atomic number is 16, because there's 16 protons. If there's 18 electrons, that means I have 2 extra electrons, hence the 2 negative. And what is the the number of neutrons? I believe it's 18. All right. How'd we do?
I also got number, yeah. And well, if you use element 1 first, it kind of makes it easier to understand.
If you do what?
Like, it made more sense. It was easier for me because you did chlorine together.
Yeah, I know. That's where I screwed up. So, my bad. I'll make you work a little bit harder. I'm going to give you 2. Oh, gosh, what are we going to do? Let's go, oh, we can do this. Oh, I'm going blue, aren't I? Heck, I'll just do it for you. I won't make it too hard this time. And then I'm going to do one more. Okay, so now I've got 2 of them up here. Good luck. The last one is about as hard as I could possibly make it. So if you can do that one, you are good to go. shall we?
Yes, we shall.
Through that. What element for this one? Copper. Which copper?
65.
Excellent. What goes here? Here. Here.
29.
Here.
1 plus.
1 plus?
11 plus. Sorry.
Okay. Let me see. Mass number. Protons?
29.
Excellent. All right. By the way, just for fun to let you know, there is no such thing as copper 11. Okay? I just did that so make sure you guys knew how to do the math. What would actually be here would be 20, what'd I say? What'd I have there, 18? That was silly. Okay. It would be 27, I think. Yeah, right. But anyway, I just did that to see what you guys would do. All right, let me see. Next element. Chromium? Magnesium? Yeah, I think I screwed up here too again. My bad. Give me a second. Yeah, that's what I thought. What I have there? 18? That was silly. I did, yeah, that was silly. Yeah, hold on. Relax. No, I was right. I was right. Did I have 18 there?
Yes.
Yeah, I was right. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. I'm good. It is chromium. Now, how did we get chromium? So it lost 6 electrons, right? Therefore, it originally started off with 24, but it currently has 18. Okay, so the 24 is chromium. So we put a CR here, a 54 here, a 24 here, 24 here, 24 here, and 30 here. Yeah, if you can do that last one, I can't make it any harder than that.
So what you explained on how electron charges loss or gain, how it
Oh, wait, time out, but wait.
Yeah.
There's more. There we go. Okay.